Hi! Alam ko hindi niyo ako kilala. Ako nga pala si Rosie. I'm starting a countdown series where I document random moments of my life, daily ganaps, and everything in between until my birthday. Samahan niyo ako sa countdown series ko na 13 days until my birthday! I started the day with my cats. Pinakain ko sila, and I had a simple breakfast. Fried rice, pritong talong with toyo, and egg. Wala naman talagang ganap today. Simple lang. And mga 4 p.m., lumabas ako. I ended up going to the mall with no real agenda. Just walking around. Stroll lang, and then bumili ng pagkain na gusto ko. No big accomplishments today. But I guess today's small win was actually leaving the house and enjoying my own company. Ang day one realization ko ay, maybe not every day needs to be productive to be a good day. Sometimes, a good day is just taking care of yourself, or pwede din namang taking care of your pets, spending time with yourself, and appreciating the little things. Daming beses kong inisip noon na kailangan may productive akong gawin para masabing good day ang isang araw. Pero ngayon, naisip ko na okay na pala yung kumain ka ng masarap, nakapaglakad-lakad ka, at umuwi ng payapa para masabing ang ganda ng araw ko at ang sarap pala mabuhay. Ayun lang, salamat sa pagsama sa birthday countdown ko. And see you again bukas.